Hey, what's up, y'all? So this wasn't supposed to be a video, but I figured, hey, since I'm doing it, why not do it? So I was cooking some beans for my dad and us. So I got those going in the crock pot. My daughter wanted mac and cheese. Well, I thought she just wanted, when you cook it on the top of the stove type deal. But she wanted it baked. So we're gonna call this semi homemade mac and cheese. So I had used this beef stock to boil the macaroni noodles in, and I also used that for the these are pinto beans and northern beans mixed together. And here I got 2 eggs, I have milk, I have shredded cheese, I got some little bit mustard, I got pepper, and a little, I'm going to put a little sugar in there. I'm going to use this. This is Aldi's version of the Cheese Whiz. I'm going to put a little bit of that in there. So, let me come back real quick, y'all. Alright, y'all. So, I got the little bit of sugar in there. This is the Cheese Whiz. And just mix everything up. So, this is a little bit more simpler than making the from scratch version, but otherwise it tastes like it's from scratch. Sometimes you just gotta make it easy on yourself. And I did put some Old Bay in there as well. I think I have everything mixed up pretty good. Alright, y'all. So I have my pan buttered here. And we probably, once I get this poured in. Oh yeah, that's 2 boxes, y'all. Because I'll probably end up taking this over to mommy and daddy's house too. So yeah, this will probably be in there. The oven, I got 350. It's always on 350 for like 45 minutes. An hour, I guess. Now I got to put some paprika on top there, y'all. Give it some color. Color. And then I'm going to cover it up with foil. That's my air conditioning in the background, y'all. They still haven't come and fixed it yet. But luckily, it feels alright, so. Alright, y'all. So I will come back and show you guys. I'm gonna, yes. Why didn't you guys remind me to put some more cheese on top? See, this is so impromptu that I don't even have my stand to hold the camera. That's alright. This is how I used to make the videos in the very, very beginning. Plus, I'm taking a chance cutting this oven on with this AC not working. So, pray for us. Alright, y'all. So, I'm going to be back in about an hour and show you guys what it looks like. Alright, y'all, I am back. Let's see what this mac and cheese look like. Smell good. Yep. Boogie, did you eat the have a sausage?
Oh, if I you say half.
You ate half already.
Yeah.
I cut them up. I said you can have, it was 3 and you ate. You're supposed to eat 1.
Oh.
Ooh, look at that.
Look good.
Look at that. Adria, this was for you, girl, and you ain't even looking. Look at that. Be careful now, girl. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness gracious. You gonna try to taste it?
Yeah.
Alright. That's crazy. Can I do your mouth instead? Since you don't want to do your help. You ain't had, I told you to blow on it. Oh snap. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know what you think about semi-homemade mac and cheese. Alright, y'all.